that's all for today. Any questions before we conclude? Okay, keep working on your homework. I'm going to make lunch.
Whoa. Clara, stop. Why don't you wash your hands real quick, and I'll take care of prepping the food.
Okay.
Clara, come here. Sit down. Does it hurt? Can you feel it?
I can't feel anything.
Stay here and hold on to that. I'll be back in a minute. Sam?
Thank God, Roger, it's you.
Yeah, it's me.
So this is where you've been? No one's been able to get a hold of you since the funeral.
Yeah, that was the point. How did you find me here?
Well, we were all worried about you, and you just went dark and abandoned your place, so Lucy got to thinking maybe you were holed up in one of your research lab cottage things. Can I come in and take a look?
No. Actually, I'd rather you didn't. I've just been having a rough time of it, I guess.
Well, I guess that's to be expected. So, what have you been doing all this time?
I've just been going back to what I know. Robotics and all that.
You know, your boss called a while back and said that even though you haven't been in a while, he'd gladly have you back. He doesn't want to lose your brilliant mind, I guess.
Oh, is that right?
Roger, what's really going on? Why did you disappear? Like, out here, of all places?
I just had to get out of that house. Everywhere I looked, I saw them. It's like they were haunting me. I couldn't escape.
And have you stopped seeing them?
No, not exactly.
They died, Roger. They're gone. You have to let them go. Let them rest. For your own sake. What was that?
Nothing. I should go. Please tell Lucy I said hi and tell everyone that I'll be fine. Really.
Hey, Roger, don't!
Claire, stop. You're hurting yourself.
Feel anything.
This isn't you.
Then who is it?
Dad? Help, I can't get my skates on.
What did I tell you about going outside?
I just want to go play.
No. Do you remember what happened last time you went out to play?
No. I can't remember.
It's dangerous out there. You'll get hurt.
You'll get hurt. You'll get hurt. You'll get hurt. You'll get hurt. You'll get hurt. You'll get hurt. You'll get hurt. You'll get hurt. You'll get hurt. You'll get hurt. You'll get hurt. What happened to me? You'll get hurt. You'll get hurt. You'll get hurt. You'll get hurt. I can't remember. You'll get hurt. You'll get hurt. You'll get hurt. You'll get hurt. You'll get hurt.
I'm so sorry, Lucas. Something's not right. I'm doing everything correctly, but they're just not themselves. No matter how much rewiring I do, a dead hippocampus can't create new memories, and it's barely retaining old ones. Lucas doesn't even realize he's in a different body at this point. I can feel how close I am, but I'm not sure who this is even for anymore. I feel like I've known for a while what the right answer is here. Maybe Sam is right. I just needed that push. Happy birthday, Lucas. I think it's time to let you and your mother rest now.